Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to JM Publishers and the book which we are doing, Maths of Playgroup. Dear students, today we will learn about tall and short. Look here, this is a tall tree. ये एक लंबा दरख्त है. And this is a short tree. ये एक छोटा दरख्त है. Here we have pencil. This pencil is tall and this pencil is short. ये लंबी पेंसिल है और ये छोटी पेंसिल है. Look at the street lamp. This lamp is tall and this lamp is short. Now see the building. This building is tall and this house is small. So remember children, big and long things can be tall and small and teeny things can be short.